Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Funzur Daylight White LED Pool Light Bulb 120 volt 50 watt. Funzur Daylight White LED Pool Light is a great 500 watt incandescent lamp replacement. This LED pool light works well with Pentair and Hayward fixture. IP65 waterproof standard design effectively extends the life of LED pool light. With correct installation, the bulb lifespan can be much longer than conventional bulb. Now pool owners can have very energy-efficient pool lights and can make your pool bright and atmospheric more enjoyable. Features: high brightness, perfect compatibility, energy efficient, easy to use, 120 volt 50 watt. Read the instructions before installation and use. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.